Hey, Ron Schwally here. Just want to say thanks for checking out my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or subscribe right there. I appreciate you. Enjoy.
So, we're going to play a game, and I'm going to watch everyone to see who can possibly help her. The game is called the laser beam game. The way the laser beam game is played is like this. I have some lasers with me, and this laser goes whoa, 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 whoa. Now, is this a real laser? But what I want you to do is I want you to try to use your imagination. The more you use your imagination, the more you can do crazy, silly, fun things and be super creative. Do you think I used my imagination when I created this costume? 100%. And now I get to travel around the country and work with awesome kids like you, being silly and using my imagination. So I would like for you to use your imagination the best that you can when we play the laser beam game. So, everybody stand up. If you're listening, hands there. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your toes. If you're listening, touch your knees. If you're listening, say at ease. Awesome. So this is how you play the laser beam game. I have a laser. And that laser's job is to chop off all your head. So I want to see what you do. Ready? And whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, so that's good. So, and you'll see hands there, touch your nails, bubble your mouth. So now, some of you when you ducked, some of you when the laser went by you ducked to use your imagination. I saw someone in the back go. And then some of you went like this. So that's fine. Use your imagination. Let's keep going. I like the way everybody focused on me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Laser that I have sounds a little different. And this one is going for your feet.
Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.